How to use SoundCloud Stats. If you are a creator inside of SoundCloud, the Insights or the Stats section can be a great way to gather all of your data and to know about your audience. So in order to first of all view your stats or insights of a particular song, you just need to head over to your profile and then just head over to the song that you want to look at the stats of. Just click on the three dotted line and right here you'll see the option called your insights. Through this section, you're going to get all of the data such as the number of plays, likes, comments, reposts, as well as the downloads that your song has. Apart from this, it's also going to show you your top listeners, your top locations, and all of the other sources where your traffic is coming from. By using these metrics, you can know how your audience is engaging and how your audience is liking your content. You can also filter out by date by clicking on this option on the top right, and you can select one of these options or also select a custom date range. You can do the same for any other song that you may have uploaded and take a look at all of your data or the audience interaction that you have inside of your content. So that's all there is in using stats or insights in SoundCloud. If this video did help you out, do let us know by giving it a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe if you are interested in more future videos just like this.